In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new subscriber added in Mailchimp will create a new row in Google Sheets. So let's start. Select Mailchimp as a trigger. Then choose New Subscriber as trigger event. Select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the list. Now in steps, we have to create a new row on Google Sheets. For that, select Google Sheets. Next, add row as an action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, choose Spreadsheet as Mailchimp New Subscriber. Select the appropriate sheet. Add name and email from Right App Data tree. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Mailchimp. So let's add a subscriber here. Provide the required fields. Now click on Subscribe. Next, let's go to the journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Google Sheets. We can see a new row in Google Sheet has been added with subscriber name and email. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new row in Google Sheet when a new subscriber is added in Mailchimp. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.